So historically at San Pasqual High School, we've had a back-to-school night model where we have bells that ring and parents are running from class to class. Not the best model to see our school, our facilities, and all the things that are happening in the classrooms.
Figure out, like, who is this kid? Who is this kid? Who is this kid?
Un proyecto muy importante, ¿ok? Este es un proyecto que siempre hago con ese nivel y nos da la oportunidad de conocernos más, ¿ok? Pero también la cosa que es más importante es romper los estereotipos que nosotros experimentamos todos los días en la vida.
The transition was made because we've been working behind the scenes on some project-based learning.
It's called Yo Soy, pero yo no soy. And I've been doing this project for a few years now, and it has really great success.
Oh, no, ya fue Yo Soy, right? Yo soy boxeador, pero mi favorito no es Canelo.
Basically, each class will come up with 3 concepts about themselves. And it's usually something that kind of revolves around a stereotype of them. And so they start understanding the idea. And as I'm explaining the examples to them, I'm like, you need to go deep. The more profound you can get, the better it works. And they have some fun with it at first, but it also really hits home when they see, like, hey, this person has the exact same thing that I'm going through, and I didn't know that. So it's really neat to see them to get to know each other and to kind of bond together as a group.
We've really enjoyed the transition because most of our parents will read the information that we send home, but it seems a far more purposeful use of our time face-to-face. Our English 10 curriculum has a wonderful unit that begins the school year focused on reading skills and foundational literacy skills. And so the unit focuses on cultural identity, and students are reading poems, short stories, excerpts from longer works. But we've also tried to really incorporate some modern works, so YouTube videos or things that they might see on social media, really expanding our definition of literacy so that literacy includes visual texts as well as the traditional texts.
Looking through pictures on your phone, I like that. So we got a microphone and a musical theater playbill because I'm in our school's choir and I'm also doing a lot of community theater shows, so that's really good.
We get matching pajamas every year. This is actually my family.
I love my family.
Doing movie marathons, and it's just something that...
Back to school night was more of like a check off, like, hey, we have a night, parents come, they run to every single classroom if they're here, and then they go home, and we did it. Open house model gives us more relaxed atmosphere. Like I said, there's food, there's music, there's performances. And it's a chance to check out student work. We have multiple hallways on campus now that are dedicated as student exhibition hallways. It's just a more relaxed atmosphere to kind of show off, you know, all the good things that are happening at San Pasqual High School between our teachers and our students.
I really am thrilled that our school has adopted this new model because I love seeing the work that our colleagues are doing and the opportunities that our colleagues are giving to students to share their work with the community and with their family members.
We're creating a sense of purpose for their work, that it's going to be displayed on open house night, that their parents are going to want to see some of the things. And I think that creates a real buy-in when it's not just I'm doing an assignment because my teacher told me to and I want the grade.
So the project I've been working on is about my experience as a teenager with SMA, which is my condition, and how it's been like going to like public schools my whole entire life. It feels honestly so amazing and so wonderful because people are so nice about it when I talk about it, when they hear it. I learned that I can do anything I put my mind to. That's one of the biggest things, because I never thought I'd be able to edit. I always thought it was like this super hard thing, but once I started learning, I was like, wait, this is kind of easy. You know, it kind of also helped me like give me perspective to kind of what I want to do in my life as well later on. So I'm very like, that's what I like, mostly I learned that I can do anything that like I want to do.